Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change profile picture on Threads. Maybe you want to give your profile a fresh look with a new picture. So today I'm going to show you how to change profile picture on Threads. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Threads application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. In this page, you will see this Edit Profile button. Simply tap on it to access your profile settings. Here, you can see your current profile picture. Simply tap on it. A menu will appear below. And now, to change your profile picture, tap on this New Profile Picture option. In this window, simply select the photo that you want to use. For example, I want to use this photo, so simply tap on it. After that, you can zoom and drag the photo to the section that you want to show. Once you're done, tap on this arrow icon at the top right corner. Here, you can choose the filter that you want. You can also edit the photo using these different features. Once you are done editing, tap on this arrow icon again. Here, tap on Done to save the changes. After that, you now have successfully changed your profile picture on Threads. Now, your followers will see your new profile picture whenever they look at your profile page. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change profile picture on Threads, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change profile picture on Threads, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.